Hey guys, I'm Anna Marie and welcome to my channel. So the other day I looked at a bunch of bullet journal videos to find some inspiration on a new spread that I wanted to try. And I found this one video of a certain YouTuber. I will put her channel up here somewhere. I saw this video of her where she tracks her mood and sleep, but it's like a super tracker. Like she tracks her food intake, her vitamin intake, her activities that she does, all kinds of things like that. And then she looks at the influence that those things have on her mood and her sleep. So it's like a super detailed mood and sleep tracker. So I decided to create my own very detailed mood and sleep tracker because I think it would be very interesting to see what are the things that influence your mood and your sleep. Is it just coffee? Is it just alcohol? Or is there something else in your diet that might be influencing why you are not sleeping well or why your mood is a bit low that day? And also the activities that you do that day. Which activities are actually good for your mood and for your sleep? The things that I decided to track are food related stuff, supplements, activities that I'm doing throughout the day, and then also symptoms. What I'm feeling that day. Am I having a headache that day? Did I have stomach pain that day? All kinds of things like that. I think it will be very interesting to see what are the foods and the activities that influence the kind of symptoms you're experiencing and the kind of mood and sleep that you're having. Another thing that this spread does is it makes you a lot more aware of what you are putting into your body, what are you doing throughout the day. I think it's a very interesting thing to do, this super tracker, this very detailed tracker. So I'm very excited to try it out. I've only started with it on the 9th of June, so I've only been tracking 2 or 3 days now, but I am very excited to see what the outcome is and to track what is actually influencing my mood and my sleep. So without further ado, let's get into the video. The top graph shows my mood out of 10 and the hours of sleep I had the previous night. At the bottom of the graph are the days of the month, and on the left side is a 1 to 10. The second graph is where I write down the overall weather of the day. I want to see if this will also have an influence on my mood. Then the third big graph is where I mark the things that I participated in on a specific day. On the left side, I write down everything I want to track, and I divide them into the categories: symptoms that my body is feeling that day, activities that I am participating in, supplements I'm taking or need to take, and food-related items. Here I am filling in the 2 previous days. When I filmed this, it was my 3rd day of tracking. For the weather section, I just write down the weather diagonally. For the sleep and mood tracker, I connect the dots as I go along the days of the month. This gives me a clear view of the correlation between sleep and mood. I would recommend only rating your mood at the end of the day because there are a lot of things throughout the day that can change your mood from good to bad or bad to good. The point is to rate your mood according to the average that you felt that day. I left a space open under all the activities and a few spaces under the food items in case I want to add something at a later stage. I think this will look very satisfying once it's all filled in. I'm very excited to see the outcome of this detailed tracker, and I'm really looking forward to finding out what are the things that influences my body and my mood and my sleep. If you're planning on recreating this spread, please tag me on Instagram when you post it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you like this kind of content. Also comment down below what are the things that you are tracking or what are the things that you would like to track. Okay guys, that's it for now. Thank you for watching, liking and subscribing, and then I will see you in the next video.